ChatGPT or Generative Pre-trained Transformer is a web-based chatbot and a generative artificial intelligence application developed and launched by the American Artificial Intelligence Research Laboratory, OpenAI, in November 2022. It is based on the GPT-3 model that uses artificial intelligence systems such as machine learning and deep learning, and NLP, that is called natural language processing, and large language models to produce human-like text, human-like conversation with its user. The technology has gained popularity across varied groups of individuals since its launch. The reception includes a mixture of praises for its advantages and potential applications, as well as criticisms due to its limitations and possible drawbacks. Next comes the advantages and disadvantages of ChatGPT. The plus point of ChatGPT is human-like writing. The core feature of ChatGPT centers on providing human-like conversation based on user-placed queries or commands. It is generally similar to virtual assistant technologies and software applications such as Siri from Apple and Alexa from Amazon. It can understand complex instruction, mix-match ideas, expensive applications, and benefits. The chatbot is versatile. It can write outputs similar to commercial AI copywriters. Experiments have shown that it can even compose music and produce works of fiction such as short stories. It can help content creators or technical writers to produce an outline. The chatbot can also summarize, digest, and explain large bodies of text. Built based on advanced GPT model. GPT-3 is an autoregressive language and language prediction model developed by OpenAI. It is one of the largest non-sparse language model and has been considered one of the most important AI systems ever produced. The subscription-based ChatGPT Plus is also based on GPT-4, which is larger and more advanced than GPT-3. The quality of text it generates make it difficult to ascertain whether or not it is written by a human. Open for further fine-tuning. Another advantage of ChatGPT is that its responses and overall performance can be fine-tuned. A user can upvote or downvote a particular response while also providing additional feedback. Next comes the disadvantages. It hallucinates at times. One of the biggest criticisms and limitations of ChatGPT is that it sometimes tends to produce texts that sound plausible and convincing but are incorrect or nonsensical under the surface. This phenomenon is called hallucination, and it is common in language models. Furthermore, when it comes to obtaining information, it does not provide references or citation. Using this chatbot alone for research purposes and electronic trailing is not ideal. It is not truly creative. There is lack of sufficient training data. Therefore, it has limited knowledge of recent events. The version launched in November 2022 can only provide information about the event occurring in 2021 and earlier. It will soon provide more recent events as it continues to feed on data based on human-generated text. Nevertheless, considering this drawback, users should keep in mind that it has limited knowledge of facts because it uses datasets that are not updated. Last but not the least is ethical issues and concerns. Another disadvantage of ChatGPT is that it has been subjected to scrutiny. Several educational institutions have banned its use. Researchers and creatives have worried about copyright infringement because its output are based on human-generated text. It also raises the question of whether it is ethical to use it as a substitute for services that require human interactions, such as customer service representation and even therapeutic counseling. Furthermore, it has other possible legal implications. Experts have also warned that AI based applications can be used for cybercriminal activities. ChatGPT and other derivatives face legal uncertainties and possible compliance costs. Don't use ChatGPT unless you are using ChatGPT for fun, entertainment only. Secondly, you are knowledgeable about the topic and detect the factual inaccuracies in ChatGPT's output. And the last one, you are willing to take the risk and responsibility of adverse consequences from using ChatGPT for high-stake applications. Furthermore, is it safe to use ChatGPT for your task? Consider this flowchart. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Learning with Maliha for more informative videos.